Hello, I'm here to review the Bunn Confection Innovation 1 single serve coffee maker. Now here it is. It has its own triple coffee holder so it can grind fresh ground coffee. Every cup is fresh. Has a nice screen. It's Innovation Total 1. Now the way it works is you put your cup in and then you choose, do Colombian, do large, add milk and coffee, and then regular, and then go. And it grinds the coffee so you have fresh coffee every time. It makes 50 cups per hour freshly ground coffee. It has two grinders. It's called a single serve coffee maker. Makes hot and cold coffee, and it can produce 5 sizes, and they go for about $6,000. But it's an investment for a company because you want your workers to drink coffee for free. It increases productivity, and you're just not taking advantage of the situation if you don't give them free coffee. Higher productivity of workers if you have coffee makers. And there you go. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Check back for more videos and reviews that I'm going to be putting on every day. Thank you.
This is wrong, but they have that power. No, who are they to work?
Thank you for looking at my channel.